This is an ASU Chemical Environmental Management System tutorial for ordering chemicals. This tutorial will help you determine where your chemicals will be shipped. Some chemicals have shipping restrictions. You need to determine if you ship your chemical directly to your lab or to the Physical Science G-Wing, PSG, for barcoding and distribution by the CEMS team. The preferred method is to have your chemical distributed by the CEMS team. Follow these steps to determine where your chemical is delivered. First, use Google to download a copy of the Safety Data Sheet, or SDS, for the chemical you are ordering. 2. Scroll to Section 14, Transport Information. 3. Find the hazard class number. 4. If the class number is in the following group, you will need to have the product shipped directly to your lab: 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 2.3, 4.3, 5.2, 6.1, and it states the chemical is also a toxic poison inhalation hazard. If the hazard class is any other number or a class 6.1 but not a toxic poison inhalation hazard, have the product shipped to PSG. Please note, once you have determined the shipping destination of a chemical, lab or PSG, any future reorder of the same chemical will go to the same destination. It's not necessary to recheck the SDS every time you reorder the same product. Let's review some examples. A review of the SDS for dichloromethane reveals that the hazard class is 6.1, but it's not a toxic poison inhalation hazard, so this product should be shipped to PSG. Sodium nitrate's hazard class is 5.1, so the product should be shipped to PSG. The SDS for dimethyl sulfate reveals a hazard class of 6.1, and it is a poison inhalation hazard, so this product needs to be shipped directly to the lab.
The next several slides are examples of common error messages received. Please follow these steps when ordering Table 1 chemicals.
Thank you. For questions regarding this training, please contact Environmental Health and Safety